Most people enjoy a little meat in their lives, like that beef you put in your fajitas. Most people also know that they shouldn't eat raw meat, but what they don't realize is that they may be buying raw meat that is contaminated with bacteria and viruses. It takes 7 to 14 days to find out what's living in your meat because meat inspection is currently performed by culturing bacteria. This is a little long, so quicker methods of detection need to be created. A future for this can be found in the science of biosensors. Dr. Heather Hunt runs a research lab at MU that specializes in optical biosensors.
So a biosensor device is a type of device that is capable of detecting a biological agent, whether that's a cell, a protein, an enzyme, anything that has to do with life sciences. A biosensor is something that can actually detect it. And most sensors are comprised of two parts: the actual sensor itself, which we call the signal transduction mechanism, and the other part, which is called the biorecognition element. So the signal transduction mechanism is what actually does the sensing, and the biorecognition element is what does the targeting. So that recognition element, whether it's an antibody or a receptor or another enzyme, basically reaches out into the solution that you're interested in and says, I want this specific target. And so then it interacts with that target, and the output of that interaction, whether it's another chemical or a specific type of energy, can then be detected by the signal transducer, the underlying sensor itself.
It's easy to get lost in all the science of this, but you probably know of a few biosensors already. Blood glucose meters and pregnancy tests are both prime examples. So why should you care? Well, because biosensors could impact your life in major ways. Emily O'Brien is an undergraduate researcher at the Hunt Lab, so she knows a little bit about biosensors.
But we want a biosensor for the future that can be portable, that you can plug into your phone, that has a readout right there within minutes. And then you can say, I should drink this water, I shouldn't drink this water, or this steak is fine, I'm going to eat it right up, or no thank you. So there are a bunch of different techniques and improvements that we need to find for biosensors to be implemented in everyday lives.
Besides finding contaminants in water, biosensors could also be key in finding contaminants in soil and food, so that fajita would taste that much better.